representation of signal. Suppose a graphical signal is given to you like this. Elsewhere 0. So we can represent this signal in three ways. Number one is functional form representation. You can represent this signal like this. What is the value at 0? 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So at n equals to 0, this is 1. At n equals to 1, this is 2. And n equals to minus 1, this is minus 2. And elsewhere, this is 0. So this type of representation is known as functional form representation. Second one is tabular form. What is this? We can write the time and corresponding amplitude in a table like this. Suppose time is here 0, this is 1, 2 and so on, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Corresponding amplitude at 0, this is 1, so write here 1. At 1 equals to 2, this is 2 and so on. Minus 1, this is minus 2, so you can write here minus 2 and so on. Now make a table. This is known as tabular form representation of the signal xn. And third one is known as sequential form representation. In this, we can write the output xn in a curly bracket like this: 1, 2 and so on, minus 1, 2 and so on. This is the value at origin, n equals to 0. n equals to 0 पर क्या है आपका 1 है. So we can put here a arrow. This shows n equals to 0, and going right hand side, this is n equals to 1, 2 and so on. Going left hand side, this become equals to minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Clear है? So these are the three types of representation of the signal. Generally, we use the third one, sequential type signal. So now the next is different some properties like shifting properties, time scaling properties, which is used in many applications. So shifting properties. Suppose xn is given here. Like this, and you have to draw x of n minus n naught. Then how we can draw it? Here n naught, if n naught is greater than 0, that means the signal xn shows delay by n naught. n naught से डिले कर देगा. मतलब अगर आपका ये xn है, तो अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड जाते हैं तो ये डिले शो करता है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाएंगे तो एडवांस शो कर देगा. सो व्हेन n नॉट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, xn शोज डिले बाय n नॉट. मतलब कि n नॉट से आपका राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. एंड इफ n नॉट इज लेस देन 0, it shows advance by n नॉट, मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट कर जाएगा. तो सपोज वी हैव टू ड्रा x ऑफ n माइनस टू, तो क्या होगा व्हेन वी कंपेयर विद दिस n नॉट इज 2 विच इज ग्रेटर देन 0, सो दिस we can apply, मतलब the signal is shifted by 2 in the right hand side, so the signal is xn minus 2, this is shifted by 2, so minus 1 goes to 1, 0 goes to 2 and 1 goes to 3, elsewhere all are zeros like this. So this is the shifted signal xn minus 2. Now suppose you have to draw x of n plus 2. Now when we compare with this again, n naught is minus 2 which is less than 0. So this signal xn is shifted by 2 in left hand side. So the signal becomes like this. Minus 1 becomes minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is the shifted signal. Okay. Now suppose we have to draw the signal x of minus n minus n नॉट. माइनस एन मतलब आपका x माइनस एन आपका टाइम रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस है, तो सबसे पहले आप x माइनस एन निकालेंगे इसका, तो x ऑफ माइनस के n क्या होगा, ये दिस इज टाइम रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस, टाइम रिवर्सल सीक्वेंस. x ऑफ माइनस एन कैसे निकलेगा, 0 एज इट इज रहेगा, एक मिरर लगा दीजिए, तो 1 बिकम्स माइनस 1, माइनस 1 बिकम्स 1. सो x माइनस एन इज लाइक दिस, आई थिंक सेम रहेगा क्योंकि ऑल द वैल्यूज आर सेम. दिस इज x ऑफ माइनस एन. नाउ सपोज वी हैव टू ड्रा x ऑफ माइनस एन माइनस 2, तो अगेन इफ n नॉट ग्रेटर देन 0, तो it shows advance by n naught in x of minus n. यानी कि अगर n नॉट आपका ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो x ऑफ माइनस n जो सिग्नल होगा वो आपका एडवांस शिफ्ट करेगा आपका किससे से n नॉट से. तो सपोज x ऑफ माइनस n माइनस 2 है, तो ये क्या होगा, कंपेयर करेंगे इससे, तो n नॉट क्या निकल के आ रहा है, ग्रेटर देन 0, और ये x से माइनस एन सिग्नल है, तो ये आपका 2 से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एडवांस शिफ्ट करेगा. तो x ऑफ माइनस एन माइनस 2 becomes like this, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is, and if n naught is less than 0, so it shows delay by n naught in x of minus n. So accordingly we have to draw the different type of signals. So these are the shifting properties. तो आज इतना ही करते हैं. Thank you so much.